Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we uncover stocks with massive momentum. I'm Mitchell, and today we're spotlighting Biodexa Pharmaceuticals, ticker BDRX, a clinical stage biopharma developing innovative treatments for rare diseases, including their lead candidate E-RAPA in phase 3 for familial adenomatous polyposis, or FAP. 2025 has delivered key milestones. On December 1st, Biodexa announced enrollment of the first European patients in the pivotal Phase 3 Sorrento trial, building on earlier EMA approvals and site activations across Europe. The market is reacting big time. Today, December 16th, shares are rocketing over 40% intraday on heavy volume, hitting highs around $6.60, extending recent gains amid investor optimism on pipeline progress, and orphan drug potential. In a volatile biotech sector, BDRX is capturing serious attention. Is this momentum building for more upside, or time to lock in gains? Comment your thoughts below. Buy, hold, or caution. Like from our biotech breakdown, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. And we'll see you in the next one.